Hi friends, welcome to Supreet's Little Things. I hope you guys are doing well at home and safe. This is my first video and I'm glad to inform you all that I'm going to upload skincare, hair care, DIYs, makeup and product reviews, much more videos in this channel. For that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it to get further notifications. Without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Today's video is all about my top 5 nail paint picks in affordable range under 200. So let's get into that. And so ये मेरा पहला पिक है from the brand Revlon and the shade is Wax Flower. ये एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट शेड. ऑफिस जाने के लिए या फिर हम एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए वी वांट लाइटर शेड, सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट शेड फॉर दैट. Yeah, this was my first pick for you guys. Now my second pick for you guys is from the brand Nykaa and the shade name is 51. This is a nude kind of shade, you can see, and this is good the who don't like to experiment with lots of colors and just go with the subtle color for everyday purpose. And as you know that Nykaa has lots of collection of nail paints as well, and I like the shade. And Nykaa's nail paint is actually बहुत जल्दी चिप नहीं होती हैं. Like you can use it and it will go at least for 3-4 days. You can, and this is affordable as well because. For a good nail paint we can invest like 150-160 because Nykaa nail paints are always in offer. If you can see, they're always in offer in Nykaa's app. Like you will definitely get it in 150 or 160, I think. So yeah, this is the must have from my side. This was my second pick for you guys, and the swatches I'm gonna post the picture here somewhere in the screen. Yeah, and the third shade is again from the brand Nykaa only because I already said that I love Nykaa nail paints. They have lots of good collection as well. So this is very nice, and the color name is Rustic Rose. ये I love the shade and ये Indian wears के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा जाता है. Like literally it goes well with all your Indian clothes, and you can wear in office as well. Or yeah, it is a nice shade. So I'll post the picture of this shade as well on the screen only. So yeah, and my fourth shade is from the brand Color Bar. The shade number is 152 Blue Sky. Sometimes we want to go little different with the colors, not like pink and all, so we want to go with some different. So for that, this is a perfect pick, and this is a very nice blue, sky blue kind of shade. So yeah, and Color Bar nail paints are like awesome. They don't even chip so soon, they goes very long with your nails. And yeah, and the Color Bar also has lots and lots of shade collection with them. And nail paints के साथ खास बात इस कि ये नेल पेंट बिल्कुल भी चिप नहीं होते हैं. दे गोज वेरी लॉन्ग विद यू. And yeah, this is my pick from Color Bar for you guys. This is under 200 only, so yeah, you can try it. And my fifth and last pick for you guys is from the brand Maybelline, and the color is red. As you know that red never goes wrong. Whenever you don't have anything in mind, go with red. And I love this shade also. This is a very nice subtle red shade. And you guys know that Maybelline nail paints are very affordable as well, that you're getting it in under 100 or in between 100 in offers as well. And Maybelline brand is also very well known brand, and nail paints also goes very long. So yeah, this was my last pick for you guys. So yes, so that all was my 5 picks for you guys for nail paint, and they are pretty affordable as well, because if you want to go long with them तो थोड़ा बहुत investment तो चलता है for the nail paints. And lastly, I just want to tell you guys that if you want to add some more shine into your nail paints, और लुक देम गुड एंड उसको थोड़ा और लंबे समय तक चलाना चाहते हैं, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू गाइज टू गो ऑलवेज गो विथ टॉप कोट and apply a good top coat on your nail paints, then it goes a long way as well. So yeah, I have a pick Lakme. This is a very best top coat. It goes very long and it makes your nails shiny as well. As you can see, I've used it a lot because I love this very much. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys only, and thank you for watching it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you like it, please hit the like button, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.